Good morning. We are out for our pre-work walk, and we're going to break up our 5Ks between two walks today, just because of time. And there's Daisy right there, but we're not going to go that way. We're going to go this way, Daisy. Come on. And she resumes regular activities with the snow on her nose. Oh, another driveway. More smells. You ready? Good girl. So, I went to the eye doctor yesterday, and interesting fact with thyroid eye disease, which I haven't shared before, is that you may have your prescription get worse, and mine has been getting progressively worse. Oh, here comes a car. And so I actually have one eye that is bigger behind the other eye. Not one eye behind. One eye is bigger than the other eye. Good girl. And the prescription, again, has gotten worse. And that's, I forget what the exact term is, but the pressure behind the eye builds up and pushes it forward. So I only have it in one eye. Not a lot, but visibly one eye is bigger than the other eye. Or it looks like one eye is smaller than the other eye. Have you been diagnosed with thyroid eye disease? If you have, please let me. So this is what we do anytime there's a truck coming. Daisy is afraid of oncoming traffic. She goes underneath my legs and my coat for safety. And then we say, let's go. And off she goes. Such a good girl. And we are on our last stretch to go home. What do you smell, girl? Which will make a 3-kilometer walk for us this morning. So we'll finish off our 5K when I get home. Thank you for watching, and thank you for walking with me and Daisy.